Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
These are American Beauty berries. I don't know how well it'll work with the leaves being dry, but like in the early season, you can pull these leaves off, you can rub them to a paste in your hand, and you can rub them on you, and mosquitoes absolutely will not bite you. That's an old Indian thing, but they're too dry for it to work now. But American Beauty Berry is a mosquito repellent, 100%. EDC, everyday care, you gotta have these gloves. Some of the tornado damage, it twisted the top out of this little hickory tree. We were lucky, we didn't get much. So far anyway. I'm going your way. Wish I had trash. Clear a little trail, make it a little easier job back here. Get it. What are you getting? Sometimes you got to double fist it.
Now, okay, do it here.
Alright, lifers, went back there to recover the camera. Haven't been able to get a truck back here this year. Duracell. It's still working. It's been out here over a year. I turned it off on the app 3 months ago, 4 months ago. Something knocked it down. There's a hog trail from this blind all the way back down around the curve. There's a hog trail right there. I'm finna drive my truck back here and dump some rotten corn I got. We might not see no deer opening day,
I'm gonna go show them.
but I have a feeling we're gonna kill a hog. It won't show up on camera.
Can I try?
You can try.
This is, I don't know if I can see the line. Like right there. Okay, you ready to go back and get the truck? Oh, you want to see? Show me your deer blind?
Yeah. I mean, the top's ripped out of it. The side's ripped off of it.
His tripod's still there.
Tripod's still in there. Seat's still in there. I'm going to bring another chair back here.
Spit bottle.
Spit bottle or 3 is still in there. But
That's not-
if y'all were wondering about the blind you can buy at Tractor Supply, it's been in the woods for 2 years. 2 years. I paid $120 for it. It's actually, I've used it for 3 years, but it's been in the woods for 2. You can't beat that. Now, the other blind that I did the video on, I don't know if it'll hold up like this one, but it's a way better built. But I don't know about the material. I'll say I'll leave that tideweed blind in the bottom. I may set it up right here and just throw this one in the trash. It's about done. And I may set the tideweed up down there too. So I don't know. I'm not setting up anything today. I'm just gonna come dump some rotten corn out and some salt out. And you can see the view I'm gonna have. There and there. It's not gonna be much. But I'm gonna hunt Saturday morning. It's opening morning of deer season. So, if y'all made it this far in this cringy little video, like, share, subscribe, and we out here.
Gunner, you're such a good girl. Hi.
Hey, tell them
What?
you stood in the woods by yourself.
I stood in the woods by myself for 2 minutes. I'm proud of myself. I think he's proud too.
Yeah. Y'all go check Maria out. Like I say, she's done a lot for the channel, helping me out a lot, filming a lot. Y'all go check her out, get her to 1,000. She's getting close every day.
89.
How many you need? 111 to get where she needs to be. I know 130 people will watch this the first week, so all y'all go subscribe if you're not already.